still watch GTV. And now it's time for the 10 a.m. slot of Children's GBC with polka dot shorts and play days with your presenter, Penelope, and a certain special dog called Buttons.
Good morning, my little cuties. I'm Penelope and welcome to Children's GBC on a Tuesday. And today, I brought my pet dog with me to date. His name is Buttons. Say hello, Buttons. And he's so cute, aren't you, Buttons? Anyways, here on Children's GBC, here's polka dot shorts, and today there's a sweet and sour surprise that's something to do with food. Enjoy the show!
Everyone says they're too busy to play with me today. Well, I don't care. This is a party I'll never forget!
To Dumpty!
Hooray!
Polka dot shorts. So it was Dumpty who put cheese icing in the cookies and the same with lemons in a lemonade. Oh my goodness! Anyways, I'm glad Dumpty had to own up for his mistakes and Polkaroo and mimic him. Of course not. He's such a good friend. And Marigold even kissed him to make him feel better. That's so sweet. Anyways, here's today's play days, and we're going to be looking at the color red as well as puppies. Enjoy!
It's a play bus. But where does it go? Where does it stop? Watch for the sign of the lollipop. The patch stop.
Open your eyes and you will see colors there in the water, a shimmer of blue. Down on the beach I see golden and yellow. Open your eyes and you'll see them too. Out in the fields, a carpet of purple, another of red makes a wonderful view. This is my patchwork of beautiful colors. Open your eyes and you'll see them too. This is my patchwork of beautiful colors. Open your eyes and you'll see them too.
Peggy Patch is out today to find a colour patch to play. So look around, reds, greens and blues, and guess which colour today she'll choose. Hello.
And just a reminder that there will be another episode of Play Days, which is the patch stop on a Friday morning. And I'm sure that will conclude right now here on Children's GBC.
Dad. I'm wearing my red shiny shoes today because it makes me look like Dorothy. Buttons is like Toto as well. Don't I look pretty, Buttons?
Ruff, ruff.
Thank you, Buttons, and I'm glad you came. Anyways, that's all we have time for today on Children's GBC. We'll be back again soon, so see you soon. Goodbye.
Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye. Ruff, ruff. You're watching GTV, and now it's time for Ruff, ruff. Hey, who's just barked at me? Never mind. Now, anyways, this is GTV, and now it's time for our morning film, Dog City, and I bet some dog would love it, like Buttons. Ruff, ruff. Ah! Here's Dog City anyway.